Frame interpolation is a video processing technique that inserts additional frames into your footage to make it look much smoother. Here's how you can do it within ComfyUI. So first up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your manager and then install custom nodes and then search the term interpolation. And then just go ahead and install this ComfyUI frame interpolation custom node. Once that's installed, we can go ahead and add it to our workflow. So just to give you a very brief high-level summary, I have a 2-second video footage that's a total of 60 frames of myself waving that passes through a couple of control nets along with the textual prompts and animate diff to create this short form video. Now, while this video looks good, frame interpolation will make it look even better. So to do this is fairly straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and go to Add Node, ComfyUI Frame Interpolation, VFI, and then select Film VFI. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect this to the frames, and then also bring in the Video Combine custom node here to stitch all the images together. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this here. And then since we're going to use this multiplier of 2, which will basically double the number of frames, we're going to go ahead and increase the frames per second to 60. And I'm also going to go ahead and create just a preview node for review, and then set this to H.264 for better quality. And then go ahead and cue the prompt. Okay, so after 40 seconds, that just wrapped up and it created a total of 119 frames. So there is some sort of math that's going on that will drop that last extra frame, but it's roughly about 60 frames per second. And here's our animation side by side. As you can see, it's a little bit smoother compared to our original 30 frame per second output there. So a very quick and easy way to really smooth out animations. Now, I just want to quickly touch on the other frame interpolation methods that are available within this custom node, as well as some of the additional options too. So again, this is a replica of our original test that we just did at a 2x multiplier, and that created a 119 frames. And then, as you can see, I went ahead and did a test of 4 times as many frames. So that equated to about 120 frames per second, or roughly about 240 frames. As you can see, it's even a little bit smoother, but it kind of hits a point of diminishing returns. So, you know, while it might be attractive to go ahead and try to really crank up that multiplier, you might not see as big of a difference that you might hope there. As far as the different frame interpolation methods available, as you can see within the node here, there was quite a few that you can test against, and I recommend, you know, testing this for all sorts of different animations, but I did this RIFE VFI, which is another popular one, and I found that the results weren't really all that different to the original film VFI that I had done earlier. So, you know, you might not notice too big of result differences. But lastly, though, I do want to at least touch on this GMF SS Fortuna VFI, which is specifically designed for hand-drawn cartoon or anime sort of animations. So if that's the type of artwork that you're creating with a ComfyUI workflow, you might want to use that interpolation method instead. So that's all with adding frame interpolation to your workflow. If you have any questions, please drop a line in the comment section below. This entire workflow is available to download, so you can go ahead and play with it and incorporate it into your personal workflow there. So yes, thanks so much for watching. Consider hitting that thumbs up and also subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.